Now foods, Agar powder, 5 ounces, 142 grams. Product overview description. Pure powder vegetarian substitute for gelatin, gluten-free, non-GMO, kosher. Your recipe's secret ingredient: vegetarian, vegan product. Agar is naturally gelatinous powder derived from marine algae. It's the perfect vegetarian substitute for beef gelatin in any food application, and makes an excellent thickener for soups, jellies, ice cream and more. Because you are what you eat, now Real Food has been committed to providing delicious, healthy, natural foods since 1968. We're independent, family-owned, and proud of it. Keep it natural. Keep it real. Suggested use. Agar can be used as a vegan substitute for gelatin's functional properties. In a small pot, place 1/2 teaspoon of Now Real Food Agar powder into half cup of water. Allow mixture to simmer for 5 minutes. Add desired fruits or vegetables. Pour into mold and refrigerate for 20 minutes. Other ingredients. Agar powder. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.